Illegal mining threatens indigenous
Mining
land.
is a burgeoning business.
Hindi nakakatulong ang mining sa ekonomiya.
May yaman lang ang nakikinabang dyan.
Nakasira sila sa kalikasan.
No po.
No. I am not in favor sa mining. So I would definitely disagree with the concept of mining. Leave mining to destroy the habitat.
Ang mining po daw is nakakapag-cause daw po ito ng like soil erosion, nakasira po ito ng sa lupa po natin. Kaya I'm not agree ko sa mining.
Many of us are not in favor of mining, but did you know that there is a responsible mining? Tulad ng mga hawak nating cellphone, laptop, utensils, at iba pa. These are just some of the things that we use every day, and if it weren't for mining, they would not exist.
The original intendment of mining is for the good of people of all the world. If you use a cell phone, you are supporting mining because cell phone batteries, nickel, cobalt, copper, all of that comes from mining.
So yung nakikita nyo from that water po to here, ito po yung mining operations namin. And then yung nakikita nyo po na parang may mga tanim na yan na po yung aming rehabilitation.
Ibig sabihin
We cannot survive without mining because without mining, there are no raw materials that we can make into final products that we use every day. So, if you look at it, everything that is yours, before it was yours, it was mine. Let's look at responsible mining in two aspects. About balance and fairness, the balance human need, and the other is the balance for the impact on the environment. So, we need to make sure that our mining is done right. It should not be destructive to the community, rather it should be helpful. When you leave it should be more beautiful and better than when you found it.
Sa ngayon naghahal po tayo ng lupa from stockyard dito to LCTs po. I am a Coswilid man po. Nag-a-assist po ako ma'am ng operation. Nabago ng pagmimina ang buhay ko dahil sa meron na po akong naipundar sa sarili ko. Especially nakabili na po ako ng motor at nakabili na din ako ng maliit na bahay.
Sa ako anmi nadako kayo natabang kay kayo mo ng bayay. Kapay-school sa anak. Takong tabangan mi na ma'am.
Kung mining lang, your word, okay. Tungod sa mining, makabuhat man tag mga na to, like, na semento, mga bakal, di ba, dinamine man na to na, mga jewels na to, mga anak. Dako man siya tabang, pero, kapaya sa uban mga bagay dahil sa kalibutan, tanan dapat na ay, kuan, sa tawag na ay, kanang balance ba? Kung sobra pod na mining pod na makadaot na sa ato, kailangan i-stop. Pero kung mining lang yun siya nga normal na mining with restriction or with kanang sundo na mga batas regarding sa mining, okay ra.
Mining will take place. I don't think good ang impact sa environment since siya chemical. But as for me, since I am an entrap student, I think we can agree with that. We can consider that one, but in moderation. Like we have to consider several factors when we do mining or when we take mining as our business. And also, since it has negative environmental impact, we have to be aware, or we have to be knowledgeable enough what are those impacts, so that we can help not only the people but also the environment itself.
Pabor ako sa mining. Ang binigay ng mga benefits ng mining, infrastructure, livelihood, social services, at healthcare, may mga services sa emergency.
Tulad niyan ngayon, yung kalsada sa Gango, sa kanila din yung binigay yan sa amin.
Kailangan namin ng tulong ng taong bayan para patuloy na makatulong sa inyo ang industriya ng pagmimina. Kailangan po magtulungan tayo, ang mga nagmimina, ang mga minero at ang taong bayan, para patuloy pong maging kapaki-pakinabang sa ating lahat ang mga produkto galing sa pagmimina.
As we progress, it is important to make sure that mining is following some rules and that we all benefit from it, now and for generations to come.